Question number 13. A person A hits the target in 3 out of 5 attempts, whereas person B can hit the target in 5 out of 6 attempts. If both of them attempt simultaneously, find the probability that the target is hit. Now, probability that person A hits the target is 3 out of 5.
Yes.
Therefore, P of A is equal to 3 by 5. Probability person B hits the target is equal to 5 by 6. Therefore, probability of B is equal to 5 by 6. The target is hit if one or both simultaneously hit the target. Event A and event B are independent events. Event A and event B are independent events. Therefore, probability that target is hit is P A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P A intersection B, which is equal to 3 by 5 plus 5 by 6 minus A intersection B is what? P of A into P of B, which is 3 by 5 into 5 by 6, 15 by 30, 18 plus 25 minus 15 by 30, 28 by 30, which is 14 by 50. Answer. The probability that person speaks truth is 90%. Therefore, probability of A is equal to 0.9. The probability that person A, probability that person B speaks truth is 80%. Therefore, probability of B is equal to 0.8. Now, what we have to do? We have to find the probability that person A and B differ in stating the same fact. Look, the probability that person A and B differ in stating the same fact is, now what we will use over here? We will use difference event. So, A speaks truth but B does not, or B speaks truth or A does not. Now what does this mean? A speak truth is probability of A but B does not, so A intersection B complement, or probability of B intersection A complement, which is difference event. Okay. Now we'll use law of multiplication. That's the easiest way, because ये A intersection B है, ये सच बोलेगा और ये भी सच बोलेगा. Both are independent events, isn't it? So what we'll do is, we write over here, using law of multiplication of probability, since A and B are independent events, PA into P of B complement plus P of B into P of A complement, which is equal to P of A into 1 minus P of B plus P of B into 1 minus P of A, which is equal to P of A is what? 0.9 into 1 minus P of B is 0.2 plus P of B is 0.8 into 0.1, which is equal to 0.18 plus 0.08, 0.26. Answer. Exercise 1.5, page number 53, question 1. The sample data about monthly travel expense in rupees of a large group of travelers of local bus in a mega city are given in the following table. Monthly travel expense is given and number of travelers are given. Now, one person from this mega city traveling by local bus is randomly selected. Find the probability that the monthly travel expense of this person will be more than 900, at the most 700, 600, 1 or more, but 900 or less. So, ये सब information से we want to find various probability. Now, very simple sum. First, write the question. 2142. Okay. First, event A, person's monthly travel expense is more than rupees 900. Person's monthly travel expense is more than rupees 900. Now, therefore, probability of A is equal to, more than 900. How many number of travelers are there? More than 900. So it is 174. What are the total number of travelers? 214. Simplify. 29.
By 357.
By 357. Okay. Second, event B, denote that monthly travel expense is at most rupees 700. Therefore, probability of B at most 700 यानी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 700. So 318 plus 430, 318 plus 432 upon 2142, 750 upon 2142, 125 by
357.
357. Third, event C is equal to monthly expense is rupees 601 or more, but rupees 900 or less. 601 but 900 or less. Can I say all the three? So probability of C is equal to 432 plus 639 plus 579 upon 2142. How much? 1650 upon 2142, which is equal to
275 by 357.
Question 2. See the details of sample inquiry of 4979 voters of constituency are as follows. Supporters of party A, male and female, and party B, male and female. One voter is randomly selected from this constituency. First, if this voter is a male, find the probability that he is supporter of party A. If the voter is supporter of party A, find the probability that he is a male. So what type of probability is this? If is given, so it's a conditional probability. Let's define first. Event A, supporter of party A. Therefore, probability of A is equal to party A के कितने supporters है total? 2437 upon how much? 4979. That's the probability. All of you understood this? Okay. Now, event B denote that voter is a male. Now, how many males are there? Therefore, probability of P is equal to 2536 out of 49759. So, can I say this is the probability that the voter is a male? Simple है ना, ये समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Okay, now we will find out event A intersection B is the voter is supporter of A and is a male So what is common? Supporter of party A and male. ऐसे कितने मेल्स हैं जो पार्टी ए को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं? 1319 upon 4979. Now we go to the first one. Probability that he is supporter of A if voter is a male is P of what is given? If he is a male, तो male के लिए क्या है? B. So A given B, which is P of A intersection B upon P of B, which is equal to 1319 upon 4979 upon P of B 2536 upon 4979 is equal to 1319 2536. Answer. Second, probability that he is a male if voter is supporter of party A is P given A, which is P A intersection B upon P of A, which is equal to 1319 upon 4979 upon 2437 upon 4979, which is equal to 13919 upon 243. Answer.